On behalf of New York Farming Enterprises, this is some of our Reed's Canary grass. Around the middle of June, it has some orchard grass in it, and it does have a little volunteer timothy in it. It was made between 10 and 12% with no preservative on it. It's pretty palatable hay, it's soft. The relative feed value is pretty high in it as well. It would make really good dairy hay, and it also would make really nice horse quality hay.
Yep,
On behalf of New York Farming, this is our Reed's Canary grass. We have quite a bit of this, 2016. This was made the middle of June. As you can see, there's some orchard grass that came in volunteer. There is a few timothy heads, but most of it no preservative on it. It was baled between 10 and 12%, made at the optimum time. The test results on this hay we have done through Dairy One, and the test results are very good to excellent for the time of year it was made.
Yeah.
The relative feed value is very high in it, as well as the protein for grass hay for the time of year it was made.
Yeah, we're gonna have to read it. Ready and go.
On behalf of New York Farming, this is one of our barns. It's grass hay timothy orchard mix. The end of it here is bleached right out on the very end. But if you dig into it, you don't have to go in very far. You can see there's the orchard grass, timothy heads in it. There's a little trefoil in it. This was made around the 8th to the 10th of June. Optimum time for grass hay. The protein levels are very good to excellent. The relative feed value as well. We do have our hay all sampled with Dairy One, and this is acid free, no preservative on it at all. We have an optimum year of making hay, and we have an abundance of this hay, and would work really well for horses or dairy.